Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. So XAUUSD, we can see that there was a bounce from the weekly and monthly support, and after that bounce we have seen very organized significant uptrending market structure. Currently the market had another break of structure. So let's see after this break of structure where we can find our next trading opportunity on the lower time frame. Now, before we look at how we can trade, first let's quickly look at the highest time frame, looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market. Now, from the monthly, we can see that XAU USD is long-term bull market. We have seen there was an inverted head and shoulder, complete breakout followed by a pullback, and we can see that there is another bounce here. And with that bounce, this is the monthly impulse, the second impulse on XAU USD, and with that impulse, what we can expect for the market to come down for a deeper pullback. And we have seen already in the second wave on XAUUSD, the prices come to that 50% Fibonacci level. And after retesting this 50% Fibonacci, the market again returning back to the upside with a stronger momentum. And as the price has tested the Fibonacci 50%, we may see now a potential trend continuation for long-term picture. So after further pullback or further break of structure, we can expect XAUUSD to potentially return to the major direction of the trend. Now, if we look at the weekly chart on XAUUSD, we can see that from the weekly, this is the weekly bull candle. Previous 2 weeks, we have seen significant drop in this market, and with the drop the price currently we have seen a retest at this very important previous swing high. It found a very stronger support here, which is in the past acted here as a resistance, which is turning support here. And with that support retest with this bigger candle, the market managed to break out from the weekly. And what we can expect in this market for the price to ultimately to come down for a deeper pullback and then to continue to rise again. Now, looking at the daily chart on XAU USD, from the daily, we can see that this market also showing potentially bullish. We have seen there is a gap open with the weekly opening, and with that gap open it has shown significant bullish price action, back to back 2 days of bullish move. Today we have seen that after initial break of structure, the market started to drop again in for deeper pullback in that direction. So we can see that there is an important swing low here, which is the support turning resistance on XAU USD, as this is a support turning resistance, and we can expect this market to return back again to the major direction of the trend as this support turning resistance. And also there is a daily 20 EMA which has not been tested yet, and I think that we might see further bounce after initial pullback here for another retest on the daily 20 EMA. Now, looking at the 4-hour time frame on XAU USD, we can see that from the 4-hour time frame, this is a very strongly bull market. We can see that there was a gap open, breakout, pullback, and the market is forming series of higher high and higher low, which is in an uptrending market. Now, from the 4-hour time frame, we have seen the price just has broken this swing low and then trying to break to the upside with a long week candle. There are two probable scenarios in this lower time frame now. One is for the price to retest again this 4-hour 20 EMA, which is also a very important previous resistance here, turning support here. Another probability is for the market to continue to rise from here to create a new higher high. Now let's see 1-hour price action to see how the market might be doing. Now, if we look at this 1-hour price action, we can see that here is an important support which had a breakup structure initially and made this impulse to the upside, and the price has broken a breakup structure already. There are two probable scenario now, with as there is a high impact news coming later today, which is the unemployment claim. We might see further liquidity grab from this support and then continue to rise again to create a new higher high. So therefore, on XAUUSD, we'll be waiting for further drop here. And I think that if the market managed to break this support here, which is pretty important support here and also support here, expecting for the market to have a rejection. So as soon as we will find suitable entry on XAUUSD after price action confirmation from this support level, we will be looking for going long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.